Hello everyone, in this video I will show you why Sony Vegas not rendering fast on your device on your laptop. This is Windows 11 on my laptop. As you can see, I am using Sony Vegas Pro 19. Sony Vegas Pro 19. So I want to create this video. When you try to create, you just go to Files, Render As, you can type any name, temporary name, and then Render. So when you try to render, is not so fast. %, 9%, 10%, and the video is short, by the way, is only 3 minutes something. So how we make it quicker? We need to connect with the charger. When his laptop on battery, it's not rendering fast, but when it's on charger, now plugged in charger, and now should be very fast. It will render very fast, especially if you render create very long videos. I suggest to your laptop to be plugged in with the charger to create Sony Vegas movies so fast. Now you can see, and also you need to be on the window on the Sony Vegas software to create also faster. Now it will be created. That's it. Thank you. Please subscribe. Take care. Bye.